Good morning, welcome back to the channel everybody. It's your friendly neighborhood Armenian. Today we're in the Supra and I have some exciting news. We are heading over to Eastside Motoring. The exhaust is here. I'm gonna be prepping the car to install the new exhaust, the FIExhaust that's going on the car. The entirety of the exhaust installation and test and sound check and everything is gonna be in this one video, but it's gonna be on the span of 2 days. Stay tuned, I'm super excited. Let's just head on over, get to the exhaust. So we're here at Eastside Motoring and we're going to unbox the FIExhaust. Get this started. Right now we're gonna lift the Supra up and we're gonna prep it. We're gonna do all the wiring involved for the valves. This is a Valvetronic system, and then we'll have the exhaust going on tomorrow morning. But for the sake of the video for you all, this is all gonna be in one video. So for me, I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow, but for you all, luckily, you'll be able to see everything later on in this video. So let's get to unboxing and see what the underside of the car looks like as well. Carbon fiber tips. It's huge. Looks good. Mock-up. Look at those welds. We got number 7. I'll take lucky number 7 any day. It's gorgeous. So this is the Valvetronic exhaust. You can see the valves in there, right there. That's where the electronics go for it. It kind of basically works with the stock system. So you're welcome, neighbors. Look at these. So I got the carbon fiber option. They look amazing. I can't wait to see what these look like on the car. So psyched.
Five in the morning, I'm all out of breath. Don't make me forget it. Don't make me forget all the reasons I gave.
So there it is. Full FI catback exhaust system number 7. And we got the carbon fiber tips right here. Always wanted carbon fiber tips, and in my opinion, I feel like FI makes some of the best, if not the best, carbon fiber tips for cars. So I'm super excited to see this on the car. Okay, so this is for the Valvetronic system. So this is for open and close the valves on the new exhaust, which is what we're going to be installing today. So we just lifted the Supra, so let's see what it looks like underneath. I have not seen what the underside of this car looks like in person yet, so this is the first time I'm seeing my car lifted. For the sake of saving everybody and myself trouble and marking out all the things that say BMW on it, because there's tons of other videos out there that basically point out all the BMW parts, but definitely BMW here, BMW there. Suspension is BMW. One thing that I did notice is these brake calipers are also BMW. I thought they were Brembos, but I could be wrong, I'm not sure, but they definitely stamp BMW. All right, so that's gonna do it for today. Stay tuned, I will be back tomorrow morning and we'll continue this and install the rest of the exhaust on the Supra and do all the test and fun and all that stuff. So I'll see you tomorrow.
The next morning.
Good morning, everybody. This is day 2 of the FI exhaust install on the 2020 Supra. Going to head on over to Eastside Motoring and finish installing the new FI exhaust system on my new 2020 Toyota Supra. Stay tuned. We'll see you at Eastside Motoring.
A few moments later.
All right, we just made it to Eastside Motoring, and unfortunately it is gross out and it's raining. So let's go on inside and check out the Supra and finish working on this exhaust. All right, we're at ESM right now, and the Supra's on the lift over here. And the guys at Eastside Motoring already basically set up the piping and all that stuff. They removed the old exhaust and they put the new exhaust on. Check this old exhaust over here. I'll show you right now. It's on the ground here behind me. That's huge compared to what the FI exhaust has. Oh, all right, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually not that heavy for full stock catback exhaust. This is the full exhaust all the way from the piping area here and all the way over to the muffler tip. So the mid pipes and then the muffler tip back there. So it's all one piece, and it's actually not that heavy. I'm actually really surprised and pretty impressed. As I mentioned, the guys at Eastside Motoring basically did a mock-up of the exhaust onto the car already. So they removed the stock catback and they installed the new FI exhaust catback. So the downpipe is up there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's up here. Turbo is a little further up ahead over there, and then this is where the FI exhaust starts. So the cat, so behind the cat basically, and so going all the way back. So this should be the mid pipe area, coming all the way back. Look at that welding, and that, God, it's gorgeous. It's so shiny. And of course got that, there we go, lucky number 7 all the way back here to the muffler area, which is shiny again, and we got the stamp again back here. So this system has 2 valves, and the factory system has 1. To show over here, so you have 1 valve system over here from what I can see, and the FI exhaust has 2 separate valves. And the way it works is, which is actually really cool, so this system plugs in, it's basically plug and play. So it plugs into the car's sport and comfort mode setting. So as soon as I hit the sport mode, the valves will open, and if I put it back in comfort mode, the valves will close. Perfect timing. So there's no need for a separate key system like my old Audi S4 had. Which is awesome. So it's actually seamless, smooth, very OEM-like, and I prefer it much better that way. The guys here tested it out already, so the valves do work, and I can't wait to try it out later. But it looks absolutely incredible. I'm just wowed by how beautiful this thing is. It looks so good. Can't wait to hear this thing and take it out on the road. Okay, so we have 4 mounting points here for the exhaust hangers, I should say. So there's one here on the left side of the muffler area, and then there's another one on the right here. And if we go a little further back, right towards the end of the mid pipe, there's a third bracket here to mount, to hang this portion of the exhaust. And then if we go all the way up here, there's one right by the cat, essentially, that bolts up here. And that's pretty much it. Nice, solid, clean areas. Holding up really nicely. So shiny. Ah. Oh, I feel so bad for what Massachusetts weather is about to do to this exhaust. But I bought the car to drive, right? So we're gonna drive this thing. We're gonna drive this thing good.
Yeah!
It's like we meant to do it.
Yeah. It was meant to be.
We're doing downpipes, right?
Yeah. Dolphin tips.
You want to put the tips on and then we'll snug it?
to the other side.
Alright, so the FIExhaust is on. We're going to lower the car. We're going to do the first cold start in comfort mode, and then we'll put it in sport mode, and we'll see what it sounds like. I'm so excited. Okay, first startup with the FIExhaust on the Supra. It's going to be in comfort mode until we warm it up. Alright, so the exhaust is on. We just heard some sound clips in comfort and in sport mode. The pops and crackles were crazy, crazy loud, and it looks absolutely amazing. The carbon fiber tips are gorgeous. So what we're about to do is we're going to pull the car out now, GoPros around the exhaust, and get some exterior clips while driving and cruising, and see exactly what it sounds like. I'm super psyched. I hope you all are enjoying this, because I'm going crazy. I wasn't expecting it to be this crazy loud, but it sounds so crisp and clear. I'm just gonna stop talking and let's get right to it. All right, we're gonna take the car out for the first drive with the FIExhaust, catback exhaust on the car, and I'm gonna have the windows up. Unfortunately, it's raining here in Massachusetts, and my GoPro battery is about to die, so here we go. Sport mode. Ooh, I can already hear it. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna have to drive carefully because it is raining here. I'm not gonna lie, so the exhaust sounds amazing in sport mode too, from the cabin. The windows are rolled up because it's raining out right now, and it's still pretty tame on the inside. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually comforting to know that. I mean, I can hear the pops and the pops and crackles coming from the back. I could definitely drive this on longer commutes while enjoying the pops and crackles without being excessive. Hopefully the GoPro on the back catches some better exhaust sounds while I'm driving. Getting a little swirly there. satisfied and happy with the quality of this exhaust. It sounds amazing, looks amazing. Huge shout out again to FIExhaust and the boys over at Eastside Motoring for hooking me up and taking good care of my Supra. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Appreciate all the support. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Got tons of Toyota Supra content headed your way. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. Till next time, peace.